In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export SVG from Figma. If you're designing icons, logos, or crisp illustrations, exporting as SVG keeps everything sharp and scalable. Let's walk through the process from inside Figma, keeping it simple and clear so you can repeat it anytime. First, open Figma in your browser. Once you're in, head to the area where you can browse your work and click on all projects. This view shows every project you have access to, organized so you can quickly find what you need. Next, pick the project that contains the design you want to export and open it. Inside, you'll see your files, pages, and frames. Click on your design to select it. This could be a specific vector layer, an icon, or an entire frame. Selecting the exact layer or frame is important because Figma will base the export on whatever you have selected. If you click the frame, you'll export that frame. If you click a single icon inside it, you'll export just that icon. With your design selected, look to the right-hand sidebar, scroll down until you reach the export section. Click the export control to add an export setting for the item you've selected. You'll see a new line appear with options for size and format. Open the Format menu and choose SVG. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, which means your artwork will remain crisp at any size. The default SVG settings work for most use cases, including web, mobile, and design systems. If you already know you need specific advanced options, like including the ID attribute or exporting text as outlines, you can adjust those in the same area, but the standard export is usually perfect. Now, click Export. Figma will prompt you to save the file to your computer, choose a location you'll remember, and give the file a descriptive name so it's easy to find later. That's it. The SVG is ready to use in code, drop into other design tools, or hand off to teammates. A few tips to make this smoother next time. Make sure the exact element you want is selected before you export, especially if your file has multiple icons on the same frame. Consistent layer names help keep exported file names clean and organized. Also, if you're exporting multiple assets from the same frame, repeat this flow by selecting each one and using the same export section to set SVG for each. You've just learnt the fastest, most reliable way to export SVGs from Figma. Pause and replay as needed and you'll have a polished SVG workflow in no time.